Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Tradingview and click your profile icon in the top right. You want to access chart settings or settings, so choose that and then open the Appearance tab. In Appearance, you can switch the overall theme to light or change background color to #FFFFFF for a true white canvas. Back up your layout by choosing Save or Save as before major changes so you can revert if needed. Use a separate browser profile or export layout to keep a copy for another device or workspace. Set the chart background to #FFFFFF for a white display so indicators and candles stand out clearly. Change candles. Set up candles to a green like #26A69A and down candles to a red like #F5350 or any high contrast pair you prefer. Adjust the grid lines to a light gray at 10% opacity and set price scale and axis text to a dark gray for readability. Also set indicator backgrounds to transparent and panel fills to white. Save your finished white theme by clicking Save or make default to apply it across charts and new layouts. Use Save as to create a backup layout before heavy edits and export or copy layout settings if you use multiple devices. To revert quickly, switch the appearance theme back to dark or choose Reset Settings in Chart Settings to restore defaults. If you use keyboard shortcuts, note that some custom colors persist only per layout, so creating a named layout with the white theme is the most reliable method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.